Hello, it's Jacob the Flashlight Man with FenixStore.com. Today we're going to be going over an unboxing of the new TK26R flashlight. So this is a 3-color option 1500 lumen maximum output flashlight. It is rechargeable, directly rechargeable with an onboard USB-C cable. There's the flashlight. It comes with a holster as well as the USB-C cable inside, a lanyard, spare O-ring, two spare O-rings and a spare rubber boot for the power switch. We also have the user manual, warranty card, and product information. When you first pull the TK26R out of the box, make sure that you remove the battery insulator. That's going to prevent the light from turning on. We get lots of calls about that. So, as I said, the TK26R has a maximum output of 1500 lumens and a 350 meter beam distance. There's 4 different output levels and strobe warning. There is a strobe as well. The user interface of the TK26R is the power switch is there, and then the brightness level adjustment is here. You know, power turn on and off with the brightness level adjustment. And of course, it does have a memory feature. One great feature about the TK26R as well is that if you click the brightness level operation switch while the light is off, you have instant access to the strobe mode. That makes it a great self-defense feature. It stays on as long as you hold the switch down, and it activates as soon as you click the button. That's much faster than having to turn on the flashlight, then click and hold for half a second to activate the strobe, so you have it immediately available in an emergency situation. On the side switch here, you can see that there's a battery level indicator as well that appears when you first turn on the flashlight. And then speaking of the side switch, that is how you activate the red and green color options. Once the light is on, click it and it will change to red, and then click it again and it will change back and forth between the red and the green light. To switch back to the white light, you just have to click the white brightness level operation switch on the back. And it should be noted that the white light does retain its memory function even as you cycle to the different brightness levels. Or sorry, the different color options, that is. That about wraps it up for the TK26R. If you have any other questions about the light, you can contact us on FenixStore.com. You can also look at the product page on FenixStore.com either by following the link in the description below, or you can go to FenixStore.com and search in the search bar TK26R. Thanks a lot for joining us today.